experiment time, type Tyndall effect in a milk water color. Materials: laser pointer or flashlight, clear glass or plastic container, tap water, and milk. Steering rod or spoon. Access to a dark room or a dimly lit area. Paper and pen for recording observations. Procedure: set up a dark room or find a dimly lit area. Number 2. Pour a small amount of milk into the container. Pour a small amount. Pour a small amount of milk into the clear container. Turn on the laser or flashlight.
Mix it.
Mix it. Shine the laser point or flashlight through the container with milk. Make sure to observe a path of light as it passes through the milk water mixture. Pointing the laser through the container milk. Observe.
What do you observe?
Think of the scattering of light. The milk particles scatter the light, making the mixture appear cloudy or milky. This scattering is more pronounced with shorter wavelengths of light, blue and violet, which is why the mixture might have a bluish tint when viewed from the side. Color changes. If you shine a laser point or flashlight through the mixture, you may notice that the light beam became visible with the liquid. This is because the light is scattered by the tiny fat protein particles in the milk. Intensity variation. The intensity of the light beam may decrease as it travels through the mixture due to the scattering and absorption of light by the milk particles. Thank you pa.